Start with a slip knot and chain 40, or else you can start off with any multiple of 2. This measures around 8 inches. This is the size. You can make it shorter or longer as you wish. One single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch and into the next stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1. Skip one stitch. One single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1. Now repeat this until the end. Skip one stitch, one single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1. Skip one single crochet. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Now this round onwards we'll be working only into the chain 1 spaces. This is the first single crochet and this is the chain 1. Make one single crochet over here. Chain 1. This is the next single crochet and this is the chain 1 space. One single crochet into the chain 1. Chain 1. One single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Now repeat this until the end. This is a single crochet and this is the last chain 1 space. This is how it will look. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until it's square in shape. We will be working only into the chain 1 spaces. This is the first chain 1 space. Make a single crochet over here. Chain 1. This is the next chain 1 space. Repeat this until the end, and once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work to start the next round. This is how it will look. Now fold the piece into half from down to up and join the sides with single crochets. Start from here and crochet until you have around 4 inches left, or else you can just measure it up like this. 2 inches over here and 2 inches for the thumb gap. Join with single crochets. This is the first step. Now weave off a yarn over here. Now leave around 2 inches gap. Again, join your yarn and finish off with one single crochet each and every stitch. And take this yarn along with the working yarn. weave off your yarn at the end. This is how it will look. Now turn your piece inside out. Now with the same pattern, make one more piece. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.